In every industry, organizations are drowning in data, but starving for insights. They struggle with disconnected systems, incomplete customer views, and financial blind spots that lead to lost revenue and unmanaged risk. That's where Gijima comes in. With our data analytics activation solution, powered by Microsoft Fabric and Azure, we help you unlock two high-impact use cases: a 360-degree view of your customer and advanced contract and financial commitment management. Using Microsoft Fabric as the foundation, we implement the medallion architecture to ingest and harmonize data across CRMs, finance systems, and operational sources. With Power BI, we deliver interactive, real-time dashboards, accessible on any device, so you can segment customers, optimize pricing, and track financial commitments with confidence. Within just 2.5 months, Gijima's expert team of data engineers, scientists, and project managers can unlock real value, securely, quickly, and at scale. Book your discovery meeting with Gijima today.